Hello, this is Vertical Measures, and today we'll be discussing essential on-site SEO tips. These are critical factors to achieve higher search engine ranking. Today's topic is meta tags, what they are and how to find them. And meta tags include your meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Here you're looking at the Vertical Measures website. We've just chosen this page so that we can look at it as an example for today. The first element to ask ourselves is, what are meta tags? And essentially they're pieces of code that can be seen by the search engines, and the search engines use it to determine what your page is about. And these include your meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. To find the meta title is pretty easy. All you do is take a look at your website in your browser, and you can look up here along the top and you can see the meta title. And in this situation it's link building service, one-way link building, advanced link building campaigns, vertical measures. You can also see it here as well. To find the meta description and meta keywords, what we'll do is we'll click on View and pull up the source. This pulls up the code which is running behind the website, and if you don't know how to use code, it can be difficult to find things, and so to make it easier we're going to click on Edit and go to Find, and then we'll type in what we're looking for. So in this case we're looking for the description, and we'll click Find Next, and that takes us down to the description, and you can see the content of it says award-winning SEO link building services, and then it goes on. Now that description shows up in Google, so if we go to Google we can pull up and do a search for link building service, and you can see that our site comes up here, number 1, and you can see the title is right here and the description is just below it. And so that's where people are going to see your description, and you want it to be interesting enough and provide enough information that people are going to want to click on this link to find out more about your product or service. Now the keywords, we'll go back to the code here. If we type in keywords and click Find Next, that'll show us the keywords. And here we have a few: link building service, one-way link building, and contextual link building, and so on. So these are all our keywords. Now if your site didn't have any of these elements or was missing some of them, then you would want to consider adding them, and you can either do that through the code yourself if you know how, or you would hire a web professional to do it for you. The keywords are related to how people are searching for you in Google, and so you want them to represent the content that's on the page as well as how people are going to be searching for you when they're looking for your product or service. So now that you have all this information, how are you going to use it? Essentially, we'd look at your website and see if you are using meta tags. And if you are, then are they working for you? And if they're not on your site, then you would want to consider adding them. For the meta title, you want to see if it tells your users and the search engines what your page is about, and make sure that it uses your keywords. For meta description, it should be interesting enough that people are going to want to click on your page from the search engines when they're using specific keywords to find information and products and services that you might be offering. For meta keywords, you want to make sure that they relate to your content and that they're terms that people would use when searching for your product or service. So that brings this first session to a close on essential on-site SEO tips. Again, these are critical factors to achieving higher search engine ranking. If you have questions or you'd like to learn more, please visit www.verticalmeasures.com And we'll be rolling out new videos with more information and more factors to help you achieve higher search engine ranking.